it last forever? Will it be my end? Underneath these lies, you can hide underneath my bed. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to play Can't Let You Go by BoyWithUke. So this song was suggested by this person, and if you guys have any more song suggestions, be sure to drop them in the comments below. I know it's been a while since my last upload. I think maybe going back 3 months ago was when I last posted. Anyways, we're back with some more B-sides, so hopefully we can keep the ball rolling. Also, I want to let you guys know that I now have a Patreon, so if you do want to support me, you can go ahead and check the link in the description. You'll pretty much get access to exclusive content and early access to all of my videos. But yeah, let's not waste any more time because I've left you guys hanging for so long. Let's jump into it. So starting off, we're going to be jumping into the chords. Just want to let you guys know that we are using a capo on the 2nd fret here. So starting off, we're going to be playing our E minor chord. So our index finger is going on the 2nd fret 4th string there. Next, our middle finger is going on the 3rd fret 3rd string. And lastly, our ring finger is going on the 4th fret 2nd string. And playing all those strings together, that's our E minor. Moving on to our next chord, we have our B minor. This one is a bar chord, so we're going to be barring that 2nd fret there with our index finger. So we're pressing down on all strings. And then we're also going to be adding our ring finger onto the 4th fret 1st string, just there. And that's our B minor chord. Now for our next chord, we have our A minor, a lot more easier. We're just going to be placing our index finger on the 2nd fret 1st string there. And that's our A minor. And that's it for the chords. So we only have 3 of them, so I'll run through them one more time. We have our E minor, our B minor, and our A minor. And that's it for the chords. So now that we've got the chords down, we're going to be jumping into the plucking pattern for this song. So we do have a chord progression that does repeat. This is our E minor chord, our B minor chord, our A minor, and then back to our B minor, like that. So now, the plucking pattern for this is, again, starting on that E minor, is we're going to be plucking all strings 4 times. So going 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then once we do that 4 times, we go to our B minor and do the exact same thing. So 4 times through. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then to our A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. And back to our B minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. So again, starting on our E minor, we're going 1, 2, 3, 4. Our B minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then our B minor again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And once you do get the hang of it, you can go a little bit quicker like this. And that repeats. Just like that. I do want to mention one thing as well. After we play that chord progression through twice, we're going to be only playing our E minor, B minor, and A minor. So we're not going to be going back to that B minor at the end like we did previously. So for example, we're only going E minor, B minor, and then A minor. Like that. And then it jumps into the chorus. So for example, we'll run through that all together now. We're going. Second time. And last one. Like that. And then yeah, that's pretty much all there is to Can't Let You Go. So hopefully you found this tutorial a little bit helpful, and if you did, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And again, I'll leave a link to my Patreon in the description below. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one, hopefully.